this video, I'm gonna guide you through a quick and easy steps on how to fix Ghost Touch on iPhone. The Ghost Touch means when your iPhone's screen registers touches or swipes without any physical input from you. In this case, this issue can be caused by various factors such as software glitches, faulty screen components, or physical damage. So here are some simple steps you can try to fix the Ghost Touch on iPhone. The first thing to do is to make sure that your screen is clean. If you have any dirt, oil, or moisture on your screen, it can cause the erratic touch behavior. So gently clean the screen with a soft lint-free cloth or a microfiber cloth to remove any smudges or debris. The next thing to do is to remove if you have any screen protector or a case on your iPhone. Because of poor fitting or damaged screen protectors, you might also go through this Ghost Touch issue on iPhone. Once you're sure those are not the case, the next thing to do is to update your iOS. Go and tap Open Settings app from your app drawer, and from the settings menu, scroll down and tap General. Tap the software update button at the top and check for any available updates for your software. If there is an update available, tap on Download and Install button and get the latest version of iOS. After you update to the latest version, you might be able to fix the issue, but if you're using iOS 14 or later, you can calibrate the touch screen to potentially fix touch-related problems. Go back to Settings app and scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Now, tap the Touch button and tap on Touch Accommodations. Toggle on the button right next to Touch Accommodations at the top and enable the button right next to Hold Duration. There is a warning message pop up. It says that Touch Accommodations changes the gestures used to control your iPhone, so only press the OK button if you are aware of that, if you are sure you would like to continue. After tapping the OK button, adjust the sliders to set the hold duration to about 0.10 seconds, just like that, as you can see it on my screen, and then you can go back. After you change the setting, you'll be able to fix Ghost Touch on iPhone. If the problem still persists, then you can try resetting all the settings on your iPhone. Simply go and tap Open Settings again, and from the Settings menu, which looks like this, tap on General. Now scroll all the way down and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone button at the bottom and tap on the Reset button on the next page. In the pop-up, select Reset All Settings. Now you'll need to enter your passcode. Simply go ahead and enter and confirm the reset process. Remember that this will not erase your data, but it will revert all the settings to their default values. After you reset your phone, go ahead and check if your Ghost Touch is fixed. If none of the above steps worked, it is possible that there is a hardware issue, so go ahead and seek for professional help. You can contact Apple support or simply visit an authorized service center. Those were some of the fixes you could try and follow if you're going through the Ghost Touch issue on iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.